Hello, good morning once again to Tosh classes. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic in physics for 12th class CBSE board, and this topic belongs to lesson number 1, electric charges and field. And my topic, today's topic is electric dipole. Actually, what is an electric dipole? We are going to discuss in this video, and what are electric dipole moment, and after that we will try to solve one numerical that is based on electric dipole moment. Okay, so first of all, let's see what is an electric dipole. Suppose I have two charges, point charges. This is plus q charge and that is minus q charge. This is minus q charge. These two charges are placed at a very small distance, between them. This arrangement is known as electric dipole. So what is an electric dipole? Actually, an electric dipole, this is an arrangement in which two equal and opposite charges and opposite opposite electric charges are separated by a small distance between them, between them. So what is an electric dipole? Electric dipole is an arrangement in which two equal and opposite charges are separated by a very small distance between them. I consider suppose this is point A and this is point B. Okay, at point A plus q charge is placed, at point B minus q charge is placed. They are separated by a very small distance. So system AB is known as an electric dipole. Now we come to the some of the examples of electric dipole. For example of electric dipoles are one mass question, very important. Molecule of water, ammonia, HCl, etc. These are the example of an electric dipole. So now I have defined the electric dipole and we have discussed the examples of electric dipole. Now the another term that is important that has been asked, and that is electric dipole moment. Let us see what is an electric dipole moment. An electric dipole moment, the next quantity that we are very important in this topic is the electric dipole moment. Electric dipole moment. Actually, electric dipole moment, that is denoted by P, and electric dipole moment is defined as electric dipole moment. Electric dipole moment is defined as the product of magnitude of either charge. Electric dipole moment is defined as the product of magnitude of either charge and the distance between them. So that is an electric dipole moment. Electric dipole moment of an electric dipole is defined as the product of magnitude of either charge multiplied by the distance between them. It is denoted by very important quantity. It is denoted by, is come to denote that is denoted by P. Actually, it is a vector quantity. Important thing is it is a vector quantity. It is a vector quantity. Okay. And the direction of electric dipole moment, I have to write down what should be the direction of electric dipole moment. Direction of electric dipole moment. Direction of electric dipole moment. Direction of electric dipole moment is from negative charge is from negative charge to positive charge. Negative charge to positive charge. Okay, and I can write the formula of it is Q into 2L. Like this one you can write the magnitude. In vector form you can write this one. It implies that, or you can write down electric dipole moment P is equal to 2QL. And the magnitude, if you have to write down the magnitude, comes out to be 2QL. And now we have to write down the SI unit. And the SI unit of electric dipole moment, is Coulomb into meter. Coulomb, Coulomb into meter. Coulomb. Okay, so what we have learned till now? We have learned what is an electric dipole. I have explained you an electric dipole is an arrangement in which two equal and opposite charges are separated by a very small distance. So this makes an electric dipole. Examples of electric dipole are molecule of water, molecule of ammonia, molecule of HCl. These are the examples of electric dipole because here the center of mass of the positive and negative charges are separated by very small distances. Hence they create an electric dipole. Next thing that we are going to discuss, we have discussed electric dipole moment. Very important physical quantity. Electric dipole moment of an electric dipole is defined as the product of magnitude of either charge multiplied by the distance between them. It is a vector quantity. It is always directed from negative to positive charge. Negative charge minus Q to plus Q charge. It has been already directed from this one. That is the direction of the this quantity. Actually, this quantity has both magnitude as well as direction. That's why it is known as a vector quantity. And the formula of electric dipole moment is P is equal to 2QL. Okay. And important is its SI unit. Its SI unit is Coulomb into meter. And I hope that you have understand it well. The concept of the electric dipole. Now I am going to discuss with you a very short numerical that is based on electric dipole moment. Let's see what is this numerical. Suppose I have considered, in question it has been given, 2 point charges of magnitude. I have to write down here. Suppose question states that 2 point charges. We have 2 point charges. 2 point charges of these charges are suppose 2 point charges. I consider plus minus 20 NC mean nanocoulomb are separated by a distance of 5 millimeter between them. Find the magnitude and direction of electric dipole moment. Electric dipole moment of electric dipole. So what has been given? Let's see. First of all, you have to make the diagram. Suppose this is the charge minus 20 nanocoulomb. This charge is plus 20 nanocoulomb and the distance between them is 5 millimeter. This is charge minus Q, this is charge plus Q. What we have to calculate? We have to calculate the electric dipole moment of this electric dipole. Let's see how we can calculate it. We have been given, I am going to solve it. Given, in this we have given the Q is equal to 20 NC, and you know that 1 nanocoulomb is equal to 10 to the power minus 90 coulomb. So that's why the magnitude of either charge comes out like this one. And we know that electric dipole moment, this is 2QL. You can write it is Q into 2L. Actually, the distance between these two point charges is 5 millimeter. It means 2L is 5 millimeter, not L. That's a mistake. Students commit usually these mistakes while solving such a kind of numerical. So be attentive while solving this kind of numerical. I place the value of Q 20 into 10 to the power minus 9 coulomb, and after that this is millimeter. Convert this millimeter into meter. 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter, and I get the answer 20 into 5 10 to the power minus 9 into 10 to the power minus 3. I will get 100 into 10 to the power minus 12, and the unit comes out to be, you can write down, that is equal to 10 to the power 2 into 10 to the power minus 12. In next step I can write down 10 to the power minus 10, and the unit is coulomb into meter. The unit that I am going to write here is coulomb into meter, and the direction is, it is directed from minus Q to plus Q charge. So like this one, we can solve problems which are based on electric dipole moment. And I hope that you understand it well. If you have any problem, then kindly send your problem in comment box, and I will try to sort out your problem as soon as it is possible. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.